In this video, I'll show you a way to fix your Joomla site when the front page displays only the word error. It's another video in my series on
the white screen of death. Brought to you by
Hey there Joomla fans, Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. There's lots of different causes for the white screen of death in Joomla. My hope in showing this series of videos and making these videos is that either this will be the fix you're looking for or it'll be similar to the fix that you need for your site. So let's turn our attention to the screen right now and get this particular problem solved. I just want to remind you and invite you to enter this month's Joomla Giveaway at basicjoomla.com/giveaways. The prizes are listed there. I'll just focus today on myjoomla.com. Go over, check that out, and you could win a free membership to manage one site on MyJoomla for a year or multiple sites for 1 month. Now, here is the site that I have the white screen of death on. It's a client site, and you'll see up here at the top, all I get is the word error on the front end of the site. Now, I have a bit of a clue as to what's going on here because I just increased the PHP level that this account is running to 7.2 because PHP 7.1 is only receiving security updates and everything below that is dead. It's end of life. So I switched to PHP 7.2 and now I just get this error. Something in the Joomla site is not playing well with PHP 7.2. But what is it? Well, we can tell by turning on error reporting. Now, here's the deal. If you're able to log into the back end of your site, type that properly there, go to /administrator. If the login comes up, you've got it really made. You have an easy step because what we want to do first is go to the global configuration file and we want to go to server and we want to turn error reporting to development. Now, development level for error reporting will show hopefully other errors that are happening that are not being shown on that screen. We're just going to save that. Now, if your white screen of death problem is that you cannot get it, prevents you from getting into the back end of your site, you can always go into your web hosting account and you can go to configuration.php for your Joomla install. And what you want to do is look for the line, it's not necessarily line 13, public error reporting equals none. You want to change that to development, save your configuration file, and that's the same as that. You'll end up with the same result as you can and do if you're able to log into the back end of the site. So we save that, and now we can preview the front of that page. Click there, and we will see that we get not only this word error, but now we see an undefined variable, gantry in, and it shows the address. It's a template, RT plethora, and there's an error on line 15, and then we get this error information. That tells me that the thing that is having issues with PHP 7.2 is the template for this site, and we see that it is gantry, so I know that that's from Rockettheme, and I know that's the template this site is using. So the next thing that I want to do is go into the back end of the site next. We can close this here. We will go to extensions and templates. Actually, we're going to go to, and we'll see right there, there's plethora, so that's the template that's active. It is a Rockettheme template. And so we're going to go to extensions, manage, and then manage. Next, we're going to go in to search, the search field, and just type pleth in this case. And we're going to look and we'll see that, okay, here's the template and its version is 1.1 and the date of this version is July 7th, 2014. All right, so what we need to do is check to see if there's an update for this template. So over here in this other tab, I'll bring it over. I've already gone and logged into my rockettheme.com membership, and I have looked up the plethora template where I can download it. I click on changelog, and we can see that here there is version 1.9 released in 2018. September the 17th. So we see that there is indeed an update for this template. What we want to do is then download that template to our computer. Here it is standalone. We will download it to this junky place where I put, let's just download it to this folder here. Yeah, we'll put in that delete file. We'll go save. That's going to go down and install a download to our computer. Next, we can go back into the back end of our site, go to extensions, manage, and then update. Actually, we want install, not update. We can go to upload package file. And now we could either select this from the location where it is, or I can open the location down here by showing it in folder. Now this is on another screen where that location is, but I'm just going to grab that file and drag it over to this box and release it. And now it will be updated. I'm going to clean the cache up here. I have the cache cleaner from Regular Labs installed, so that's how I get that button there. And we can go to the front page where we have the error. We can refresh, and there you go. The site comes up. Now the last thing that we want to do, because showing errors can give away information we don't want it to, is we'll go back to System, Global Configuration. We'll go to that Server tab. We will change error reporting back to none. And if you had to change this by editing the configuration.php file, you don't need to now because the back end of your site probably works after this fix. We'll save that. And there we go. We have the site all fixed. So there's one solution for the white screen of death when the only word that's appearing on the front of your site is error. I hope that helps you. If you find this tutorial or the other tutorials helpful, please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for notifications, and if you've had other problems with the white screen of death or you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. So until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.